SEA Aquarium takes you to an unforgettable underwater experience. Binansagang pinakamalaking aquarium sa buong mundo, this place comes with unique marine habitats that are highly entertaining for all ages. Mapatanda man o bata, for sure mag-enjoy kayo dito. I'm your Nomadic Juan, and let's start the new year with another series of travel and food vlogs here in Singapore. And first up, to one of the famous tourist attractions in Singapore, labeled as the world's largest oceanarium, the Southeast Asia Aquarium, Singapore. Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong hugot travel bay na may puso, and we are back with another vlog. So this time, pupunta tayo ng SEA Aquarium. Kung nakikita nyo yung likod ko, yung isang ticket nagkakalaga ng $45 for one adult, pero yung ticket na pinurchase namin sa may Orchard, Lucky Plaza, meron na siyang kasamang SEA Aquarium plus yung cable car. So Mount Faber line saka Sentosa line. So after natin dito, punta tayo ng cable car. At tara, samahan nyo ako sa loob.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Ayun mga Juan, so nakapasok na tayo sa SEA Aquarium at punta natin. Actually, it's my second time na papunta dito, pero yung time na yun hindi pa ako nag-vlog, kaya this time i-vlog natin. Actually maganda sa loob, grabing ganda. So tignan natin, itutur ko kayo sa loob. Okay, see you later. So ayun, nag-toilet muna ako bago tayo papasok kasi baka maihi tayo sa loob. At guys, kapakita ko sa inyo, sobrang ganda ng toilet nila. Ayun, di ba? Para kang nasa loob ng barko. Talagang SEA Aquarium talaga siya. So, tara. The SEA Aquarium is one of the most popular attractions in Singapore and a must-visit for visitors to the city. Here, you can explore the marine realm of SEA Aquarium at Resorts World Sentosa. The aquarium is home to diverse species of marine animals across different habitats, and guests will be awed by the fascinating marine life under the sea. Kung naririnig nyo dati yung skull of fish, ito yan, yan, nakita yan, yan. Yan yung tinatawag nilang skull of fish. Mga nag-aaral na isda. Joke. Yes, hi ka naman sa vlog namin. Hey, hi ka naman sa vlog namin. Hi. Hi.
Nagpapakit sa'yo.
Hi. Tara, iuwi na kita. Yun o. Tignan nyo guys yung ano niya, parang may mukha siya din sa baba. Pangawan, ang laki yung stingray oh.
Kuya, isa siyang Arctic Eagle Ray.
Ano ba?
Wow!
guys, sobrang laki oh. Grabe, laki.
You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
The SEA Aquarium is one of the largest aquariums in the world, home to more than 800 species of aquatic wildlife. The chief draw of SEA Aquarium is the open ocean tank, the world's largest viewing panel. This is also the only aquarium in the world to house the giant oceanic manta ray. It is also home to over 100,000 sea creatures spread across 10 zones and 49 habitats found between Southeast Asia, Australia, and Africa.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive.
Ganda bro.
I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution.
And whatever you do though, ensure that you get to spend plenty of time at the aquarium's centerpiece display, the open ocean habitat, featuring a viewing panel measuring 36 meters in width and 8.3 meters in height. A spectacular window in a serene blue world teeming with marine animals including manta rays and giant groupers as well as schools of fish, truly replicating what the deep ocean looks like. In fact, since the open ocean habitat is a registered diving site, you'll even be able to see divers swimming around and interacting with the marine life. Alam niyo mga wan, sobrang ganda. Wala kang ibang gagawin kundi i-appreciate yung creation ni God. Sobrang ganda. Tapos ang ganda pa ng music. So pag pumunta kayo dito, ito yung pinaka-last. Mag-relax lang kayo. Tapos i-feel nyo lang yung atmosphere. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang nakaka-relax. Andito tayo mga wan sa may gitna ng Ocean Dome. At kung naririnig nyo yung sinasabi ko, nag-e-echo siya. Galing.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire.
At yun mga man, and that's our SEA Aquarium experience. Sobrang astig na experience guys, nakaka-relax. Tapos ang daming pwedeng makita, lalo na yung jellyfish, sobrang na-enjoy ko. So huwag niyong kakalimutan na i-visit ang SEA Aquarium kung pupunta kayo ng Singapore or yung mga nandito sa Singapore. Bago kayo umuwi ng Pilipinas, huwag niyong kalimutan i-visit ang SEA Aquarium. And then dun sa pinaka-last part, the best, sobrang ganda ng experience, yung malaking aquarium. Tapos sobrang ganda ng music, nakaka-relax. Papanoorin mo lang yung mga fish doon, tapos relax ka lang. Sobrang ganda. So yun, that's our SEA Aquarium experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next vlog. At dahil Hugot Travel Bay tayo, hugutan natin ang SEA Aquarium. This is my message to everyone out there. It's either you want to be a fish of the ocean or the shark of the ocean. Your decision. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Either you work hard for it or you don't work hard for it. It don't come easy. In life, you have to work hard to get what you want. You can be either shark of the ocean or the fish of the ocean. My take is, We have to be that shark. Take over everything. Strength, show no weakness, show power and perseverance. Push lang ng push hanggat makuha mo yung goals mo. Never back down. You have to have that mindset, so you got to come here and dominate. If you experience setbacks, never put yourself down. Motivate yourself. Keep yourself up. Pump up and get ready for any challenge. If they say you can't, take the pill and show them who the F you are. So everyone out there watching this video, tandaan mo, always be a shark. Maikli lang ang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya.